black bird, guys. Okay, scary. I hope no one goes by to the heaven. This is a black, really bird. I don't know he's dying. Sa dressing table ng abuela. I opened the window to change the air. This is the window. The window. Now I have to close it because it's already going to 3 o'clock. And we're going to have lunch. And I was surprised. This blackbird, look. The blackbird. OMG. I hope nothing will happen. Because they said if you see a blackbird or black cat, someone is going to heaven. I'm scared with my mommy in the Philippines. Okay, I will get a plastic bag to get it. I don't want to touch on my hand. We don't have water. We have here the fontanero fixing.